Alright guys, in this video we're going to talk all about how to get lucky with your trading in 2023. Okay, so maybe you don't need to get 100% lucky, but how can you increase your chances of having a little bit of luck with trading this year? And we're going to break down exactly how to do that, so stick around to the end. We'll be sure to give you some good value on this particular video. So if you think about what a lot of people say luck actually is, and you've probably heard this before, but what luck really is preparation meeting opportunity. The problem is with most new traders is they don't really know how to prepare or what the best opportunities look like. So how can you get lucky if you're not prepared and you don't really know how to recognize opportunities? We're gonna break down how to do that in this video. So if we think about how to get prepared, how to put yourself in a position where luckier trades can come your way, it starts with having a daily plan. I'm gonna throw up an example of a daily plan that I had from this past week, and you'll notice some important things about that daily plan. Number one, it's very specific. So all I've done is highlight a specific area on my chart, in this case, it's the S&P 500, where I'm even willing to take a trade on that particular day. What that means by default is that everything else on the chart on that particular day, I'm not considering trading. Prices above that, I don't care. Prices below that, I don't care. My plan says this is my specific window to look for my trade. And that kind of preparation puts you in a good position to have a little bit of luck. Now, there's gotta be some logic behind why you choose that particular area. So if you look at my daily plan for this particular day, I had a combination of two different things in that area that made me excited about finding an opportunity there. Number one, I have what I call a demand block on that particular area. And you'll notice that based on the green box that you see I have drawn on that daily chart. What that is essentially saying is that, hey, in this particular area before, we had big institutional buyers that were willing to do a lot of buying here. So they bought up a lot of the S&P 500, the stocks that are associated with the S&P 500 in that particular area. That means if price comes back there, revisits that area, they could either be willing to buy at that price again, or they may even have some leftover orders there that they didn't get filled from last time. It means there's a higher chance that, hey, price is gonna go back up if it comes back into this area. You'll also notice if you look at this gold box that I've created on the 1 hour chart, what I call a pricing imbalance. And this is even narrowing down my plan to be even more specific. And all the pricing imbalance is, think of it like, hey, when big institutional buyers were doing their buying during that time frame, what happened is price moved too quickly through that area. So in that range that you see between 39.58 and 39.54 or so, there weren't enough people to sell them their buy orders. At the end of the day, stock market is an auction, so you need buyers to equate with sellers, and when there's too many buyers and not enough sellers, price may move too quickly through an area and create an imbalance. So what I've done is created a specific area where it's most likely for price to return to and go back up. And that's all that I've done on that particular day. That activity takes 5 minutes of time, but having a plan like that keeps you prepared and it saves you a bunch of time. Set an alert where your plan area is and just wait. Don't do anything else. Step two of this is, hey, we're prepared now. Now we need to highlight the right opportunities. And to me, opportunities are found on a shorter time frame because you can be more precise. So if we look at this same trade window, I'll give you a look at what my winning trade was on this particular day. And you'll notice all I've really done, you still see your green box, you still see your gold box. I've taken the same concepts I used in my daily plan and just broken them down into a shorter time frame to find a very precise window to find my trade. And that's really what happens when preparation meets opportunity. I've created the window on my daily plan, and then I let that trade setup develop on my shorter time frame once price got into that area. That's what gives you the opportunity to be a little bit luckier on a day-to-day basis, right? It's just preparation and opportunity. You've created your plan, you've waited for that plan to play out exactly the way you envisioned it. Now, how much can you make? How lucky can you get by taking an approach like that where we've created a plan and we've waited for an opportunity to develop with a super specific setup criteria? Well, on this particular trade for me, it was about a $2,000 risk size, and that winning trade was worth over 4 grand. Now, depending on your account size, it could be a little bit different. Obviously, if you're trading on a smaller account, it's not gonna be worth as much, but it's still a 2-to-1, 3-to-1 type winning move on one single trade. And the takeaway from this is you can create luck by doing less. create your plan, make it specific, only look for trade setups within that particular plan criteria, and if they're the right kind of setups, it's going to present a tremendous amount of opportunity for you. You can make really good money in short windows on just a few trades a week. So take that into your trading this week. Create your daily plan, create your window of opportunity, and just wait for those setups. I bet you find more luck in your trading this year. Guys, if you like content like this, be sure to like, subscribe, share this channel, and let me know what you want to learn about next. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll circle back to them. We'll see you guys on the next one.